Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna work about working with EBS. In this topic, we can learn about how to create an Amazon EBS volume, how to attach and mount your volume to an EC2 instance, and how to create a snapshot of your volume, how to create a new volume from your snapshot, and how to attach and mount the new volume to your EC2 instance. Uh, First, we need to open the lab sessions and we need to start our lab. Just click on Start Lab. Here we're gonna see the topics we can cover in this lab. Our first task is create a new EBS volume. Just wait for some time. See here, our lab has been started. Just click on AWS. We can see here our AWS console homepage. In the search bar, just search EC2. Click on EC2. In the left navigation panel, we need to choose the instances, and here we can see an Amazon EC2 instance named which is lab has already been launched for our lab work. Once we need to check the availability zones, which is US East 1 or not. If it not, then you need to choose this one. In the left navigation panel, choose volume. Here we can see the volume. Here we can see the existing volumes that is being used by the Amazon EC2 instance, which is the size 8 GIB. Now we need to just click on create volume for creating a new volume, and we need to select the volume type as general purpose SSD GP2. We need to choose this one. Then size GIB. We need to reduce this to 1, and availability zones is same as the our EC2 instance zones, which is US East 1, and snapshot ID. Don't need to change anything else. Available zones. Okay, that's it. Then come to the tag option. We need to click on add tag in the key. Here we can see the key. Just copy this name and paste it here. Name and the value. Copy the value and paste it. Now here we can see the create volume. Just click on the create volume. Here we can see our new volume is created, which name is my name, and the size is 1 GIB. Our first task is completed. Now come to the second task, which is attach the volume to an instance. Okay, go to the console. In this task, we will attach the new EBS volume to the Amazon EC2 instance, which name is my volume. For doing this, just select the my volume and go to the action, and here you need to select the attach volume. If the attach volume is disabled, just refresh your page, then click on attach volume. In the instance field, you need to choose the lab running. Just click on this. In the device name panel, we need to select here the SDF, which is Linux. Select the SDF and click on attach volume. We can see here our volume is successfully attached our in our instances. Our second task is completed. The third task is connect to your Amazon EC2 instance. We will connect to the EC2 instance using EC2 instance connect, which provides access to the terminal in the browser. For doing this, just search your EC2, click on EC2, go to the instances, and here you need to select the lab and click on connect. And in the EC2 instance connect, just click here connect. In this tab, we can see here our Linux 2023 is our output. Our third task is also completed to connect our Amazon extension, which is successfully connected. Now just go to the task 4, which is create and configure your file system. This task, we will add the new volume to a Linux instance as an ext3 file systems under the mnt/data store mount point. For doing this, we can see here the commands. Just copy the commands df-h and paste it, enter. We can see here the output. In the same way, we can copy all the commands and paste it and run. Task 4 has been completed. Then it's told to leave the EC2 instance connect session running. You will return to it later in the lab. Okay, then. Our first fifth task is create an Amazon EBS snapshot. Task. We will create a snapshot for our EBS volume. For doing this, we need to return to our EC2 console page, go to the volumes, and here we need to select the my volume. Click on action, and you need to select here create snapshot. In the tags list, you need to select the art tag, and here you can see the key name. Just copy this key and paste here. Volume also copy this and paste there. Create snapshot. In the left navigation panel, now you need to choose the snapshot. We can see here our snapshot has been created, and we can see here our snapshot status, which is pending, which means that the snapshot is being created. It will then change to the state to completed. For doing this, we need to go to our connect page, EC2 instance connect session. It here, and first we need to delete the file that we created on your volume. For doing this, we need to copy this code and paste it there. And now we can verify by doing the ls function. We can see here lost found. That means we successfully deleted our files. Our task 5 is also completed here, and our task 6 is restore the Amazon EBS snapshot. That means we need to restore our snapshot. In this task, we need to create a new volume using snapshot. So you need to go to the EC2 consoles. Here is the EC2 console and select my snapshot. Go to the snapshot and you have to select here my snapshot and click on the action menu and select here create volume for snapshot. Create volume from snapshot. Just click on this and you need to select your availability zones which you can use right now. You need to select the same availability zones and come to the tags. We need to configure this. Just click on add tag, copy the tag and paste it and also the values. Click on create volume. When we can restoring a snapshot to a new volume, we can also modify the configurations such as changing the value, volume type, size, or availability zones. And now we need to attach the restored volume to our EC2 instance. In the left navigation panel, we need to choose the volumes. We can see here in the restored volume. Just check this and go to the action panel. And you need to select here the attach volume. In the instance field, choose lab which is running and device name. You need to choose the dev SDG. Here you can see the slash dev slash SDG. Just click on this and click attach volume. Now we need to restore the volume. For this, first we need to create a dictionary for mounting the new storage volume. For doing this, just we need to copy the codes. Just copy this and paste it here. And now we need to mount the new volume. So copy and paste. Now verify that volume you mounted that as file you create earlier. Okay, we need to verify. Just copy this, paste it, and then our lab work has been completed. Now we need to submit our work. Just click on submit. Yes. If you didn't get this output, just click once for submit and you got the output. I hope this lab made things clear. In the next video, we will dive into something even more interesting. Until then, keep experimenting and keep learning. If the video is informative, then do like, comment, and share this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and just click on end lab. Bye bye.